Today, a remarkable thing happened. The developers of Shiba Inu made their own changes to the story. Today, we could have the answers. Experts are stepping in. Shiba Inu is expected to undergo a major change in the next few days, which could have a profound impact on its price. Tell me what's happening. Just what am I talking about? Permit me to elaborate. Your daily dose of Shiba wealthy coins is here. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Please hit the like button if you would like to receive more terrible news. Some traders were caught off guard by the quick correction that occurred in Shiba Inu after a dramatic fall earlier today. Nevertheless, what is your opinion? It was a short-lived drop. The strength of this momentum was demonstrated by the Shiba Inu's incredible tenacity, which allowed it to rebound throughout the day. All the fun begins here. This week has been absolutely remarkable when seen in the larger perspective. Even with the little pullback, Shiba Inu is still at a high level, demonstrating a substantial gain that excites investors. How does the community generally feel? Authentic life force displayed by holders is more than simply assurance. They are full of energy. There is a rising consensus that Shiba Inus are more than just another pump-and-dump token. A considerably bigger thing is coming out of it. Instead than fixating on fleeting fads, people are looking ahead to what the future holds. The whales are doing what they do best. Despite this, regular investors are unwavering because they know the road ahead is long and winding. That Shiba Inu is more than just a hype dog is shown time and over again by its resiliency. Whenever it falls, it always comes back stronger. This is the exact reason why there are some who believe the rally is just getting started. The situation is getting even more disorganized right now. Shiba Inu was quite active today. As a matter of fact, it outperformed the leading cryptocurrency competitors. Shiba Inu certainly made waves, proving its impact, even as Ethereum and Bitcoin advanced. Shiba Inu outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of the percentage of holders who held on to their coins for the long haul. It is an issue of great importance. According to on-chain data, most Shiba Inu owners aren't involved in day trading. Throughout they remain devoted. They can make out the end result, believe in what's to come, and are dead set on committing. For a long time Bitcoin has been the market leader in the cryptocurrency space, and most assets have followed its lead. But Shiba Inus are starting to break out of that mold. It goes beyond simply riding the wave. The course it takes is unique, no room for doubt in the statistics. Despite the ups and downs of the market, many Shiba Inu owners have stuck with their investments for more than a year. Its proportion, what is it? Actually, it's growing. The number of long-term Ethereum holders has fluctuated, but the number of Shiba Inu holders is going up. A message of profundity is conveyed by such dedication. Exaggerated zeal and confidence go hand in hand. Everyone is sure that this coin will go far above what anyone has predicted. The Shiba Inu isn't just hanging around to be cute, it wants to show who's boss. Nonetheless, what follows is the main argument. I know this sounds far-fetched, but please try to see things from my point of view. Something even more remarkable transpired today. Much anticipation has spread among the community since the Shiba Inu team made some major news. It has been quite some time since Satoshi Kusama last posted anything on social media. Speculations abounded as to why he vanished. How can I find him? What on earth is he doing right now? The Mint is hosting a major event. The Shiba Inu development team appears to have finally responded to the deluge of questions from the community by providing some clarification. According to this researcher, Shiba Inu might reach its highest point since December, if a breakthrough occurs soon. Is the justification? There has been a large downward channel that has been limiting prices for months, and it is about to break. There is evidence from the past that prices tend to spike when this happens. The story has been changed by Shiba Inu recently. It suddenly became bullish after a period of negative momentum, reaching a level of consistent increase for several days in a row, which has not happened in months. This change in trend is exactly what the experts were expecting. A well-known market analyst has pointed out that Shiba Inu is very close to the top resistance of this long-term pattern and that the price movement on the charts is very strong. If it manages to get through, there might be a lot of movement. Additionally, according to a different analyst, the breakthrough has already been placed. Shiba Inu has formally broken out of its falling wedge pattern, according to them. Innovations might advance at a breakneck pace if volume grows. Some have speculated that Shiba Inu might stage one of its biggest rallies in a long time if it regularly closes above important moving averages. This is more than simply random enthusiasm. The market's optimism, momentum and alignment of technical indicators are all on the rise. In the event that this development pans out as predicted, Shiba Inus can experience a dramatic upsurge that brings them back into the spotlight. Plus there's something else that could give the Shiba Inu uprising even more juice. Everyone in the community is guessing since the mysterious chief developer, Shidoshi Kusama, has been quiet on social media for a while. How can I find him? In the background, what's going on? A number of people started to show signs of alarm. However, we have now found some answers. Vet Kazama, an esteemed member of the Shiba Inu team, has stepped in to offer some clarification. There is no problem, he assured everyone. Actually, that's not the case at all. Everything is going according to plan, he says, so there's no need to be scared. Even though Shidoshi isn't feeling well, work is still going on behind the scenes. Something major appears to be happening right now. Vet Kusama tagged Shidoshi and Caldaria, the major developer, in an effort to gain permission to reveal some information to the Shiba Inu society. But no one from either side responded, so the mystery just grew. Lucy is also the face of Shiba Inu on social media. Her amusing idea suggested that Shidoshi might be busy with the expansion of the Shibarium ecosystem, and she interjected with that. She replied to a mysterious message that showed a cloaked individual with a Shiba Inu head leaving to make the next big invention. What did she say in reply? With a playful offer to grab coffee first, I tagged Shidoshi immediately. There is hidden meaning in that seemingly harmless comment. We can expect revolutionary news when Shidoshi returns, which suggests that a major development is taking place. The situation becomes quite thrilling at this point. If this happens, Shiba Inu can experience another strong rise if Shidoshi comes back and releases the major upgrade. Plus, this is far from being an isolated incident. This has happened to us previously. The market has always reacted swiftly whenever Shidoshi has made a major revelation. The public immediately realizes that Shiba Inus are more than just a medium of exchange, and prices start to climb along with the excitement. This is what's called a movement. Imagine this rally takes a dramatic turn. What would happen then? Something monumental may be happening right now, and we could be witnessing yet another record-breaking peak. Think about how this will affect the holders who have been patiently saving up for the future. It has a profound impact. Patients were most greatly benefited by those who persisted during the quiet times, in the midst of the downturns and changes. According to past events, the market reacts when Shidoshi speaks. This can happen a lot faster than expected. Experts are now predicting that Shidoshi Inu might see a massive 12x spike, and the evidence is starting to back up their claims. Significant growth has been observed on Shiba Swap, the ecosystem's decentralized exchange. As more people join the ecosystem, trading volume has skyrocketed, total value locked has skyrocketed, and liquidity pools are growing. This is more than a passing fad. There seems to be a growing demand for